Time to move on to the weather. It's been really breezy today, hasn't it? And certainly cooler than it was a few weeks ago. Lily's here to shed some more light on it. So, are we saying goodbye to the summer?
Well, it has been a little bit unsettled, hasn't it? But a reminder that today, autumn is actually kicking off. So today marks the start. You may be booing, but daytime and nighttime are roughly equal. So we're slightly moving away from the summer in terms of longer nights, shorter days, and perhaps it's a little bit unsettled. But remember, September is still a shoulder month, meaning we can get a mixture of conditions. And actually, hot weather is possible in 2023. Temperatures in September actually reach as high as 30 degrees. So it doesn't necessarily mean summer's over.
Well, that's good to hear. And also not the only thing that's coming our way.
No, because September marks the start of the storm season, because we can get unsettled weather. And because of that, the UK Met Office have released now their list of storm names for 2025 and 2026.
And with the end of summer comes a bit of a seasonal roundup. What statistics do you have for us?
So our Channel Island data is still being crunched, but the UK have crunched their data, and it was the warmest on record due to the effects of climate change. Not quite this warm this week, but let's get all the details now. Well, we had a few sharp showers over the weekend and one or two already this morning, but we did get some bright spells too. So all rather unsettled and changeable as we kick off meteorological autumn with low pressure nearby. That means we should be prepared for some rain and some showers, and there could be some heavier bursts at times also. Feeling breezy too, particularly as we go into tomorrow. The winds could reach a strong 4-6, maybe even touching on a 4-7 at times. As we head through tonight then, a mixture of some clear periods, but there's some scattered showers around, so one or two of those may pass over us. A moderate to fresh breeze that's feeding in from the southwest, and minimum temperatures tonight in the mid-teens. As we head into tomorrow then, really around rush hour traffic, as when this front comes through, that could give us some quite heavy rain for a time, more widespread than we've seen as well. And it'll be a bit blustery at that time also, perhaps some thunder, but that clears off. So notice as we go through the rest of the day, some drier and some brighter interludes to come. As I mentioned, those winds tomorrow are on the strong side. Could be around a fresh force 5 to strong force 6, maybe even touching onto a force 7. And temperature-wise, similar to what we've been used to, so maximums in the low 20s, but it might feel a little bit cooler just on account of that breeze. Let's check in with our times of high water then. Roughly around 1 a.m, later on between 2 and 3 p.m, with the sea temperature now at 18.8 degrees Celsius. So moving through the week, there's another system coming our way. That's likely to give us, again, a similar picture on Wednesday to tomorrow, really, where we could see some heavy rain to start, giving way to a more showery regime, and then some brightness later on in the afternoon. So when we take a look at the outlook this week, more of the same, similar to what we had last week, where those symbols are showing sunshine and showers, breezy at times, temperatures in the low 20s, but looking more fine and bright as we head to Friday and Saturday.